ID Aviation and Gaming. This is Diego.
And Ian.
And today we are plane spotting in Miami International Airport, and we have a very special plane coming towards us. A Qatar Airbus A350-900 operating as Qatar 778 Heavy. It will be heading out to Doha, which is about a 13.5-hour flight, and we're about to see it take off right in front of us. So
Actually, our first Qatar A350 that we see.
This is our first Qatar A350 that we see. Alright. He's lined up on the runway. Alright, I'm gonna check my binoculars.
Yeah, me too.
He's rolling. He's coming. He's coming. Get ready. This is gonna be very special. Okay, you might want to cover yours because A350s are loud. There he is. Wow, air. That was spectacular. That was spectacular. Just, oh my God.
Amazing.
I'm speechless. That was
Yep.
spectacular. ID Aviation and Gaming signing out. Have a very good day.